Hi. Welcome to our channel Tech Art Lab. First, please press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Let's start now. If you're a student who is new to programming and looking to learn C++, here are some steps you can take to get started. Understand the basics. Before diving into C++, it's essential to understand the basics of programming. You should familiarize yourself with programming concepts like variables, data types, loops, conditional statements, functions, and objects. Once you have a good grasp of these concepts, you can move on to learning C++. Get a compiler. A compiler is a software program that translates the C++ code you write into machine-readable code that a computer can understand. There are several C++ compilers available online for free, such as Code, Blocks, Dev C++, and Visual Studio. Start with simple programs. Start with simple C++ programs to get comfortable with the language. For instance, you can begin with a Hello World program, which simply outputs the text, Hello World, on the screen. Once you have this working, try to modify it to include user input or change the output. Read C++ books and tutorials. Reading C++ books and tutorials can help you gain a deeper understanding of the language. There are several excellent online resources available for free, such as learncpp.com, c++.com, and the C++ programming language by Björn Stroustrup. Practice coding. The best way to learn C++ is to practice coding as much as possible. Try to write simple programs and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Look for coding challenges online, and try to solve them using C++. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you get stuck. Join online forums and discussion boards where you can ask questions and get help from experienced programmers. Stay motivated. Learning a new programming language can be challenging, but with persistence and dedication, you can master it. Keep yourself motivated by setting achievable goals and celebrating your achievements along the way. Remember, learning C++ takes time and effort, but with patience and practice, you can become a skilled programmer. Good luck. Thanks for watching.